We are getting saucy today with Marisa Mariella of Marisa's Easy Kitchen. She joins us with some simple and really delicious sauces that you can make. And watching your video that you sent in, I'm like, oh, this is so easy. I had no idea.
It is. Most of them are. You know,
Okay.
we're not talking about the mother sauces like a hollandaise, bechamel. We're not talking about those. We're going to keep it very simple and tasty. And I have 4 different sauces, 4 different techniques. So the very first one is a pan-seared mushroom sauce. So really any protein, chicken.
Okay, and we've got chicken, and we've got some video here of you like kind of pan-searing the chicken.
So it's really important to have your meat nice and dry and seasoned well. And then the fond, that's all little bits that are left behind on the pan. That's what gives the sauce so much flavor. And you're going to add a liquid to it. It could be a chicken broth. There we go, yeah, thank you.
Okay.
A chicken broth, or it could be even like a juice, whatever liquid you have on hand. Some wine would be nice. And then I just made it fancy by adding some mushrooms. Can you smell this?
Oh, I can.
Okay, so there we go. Sorry for reaching.
And I love that you add a little bit of lemon or a little bit of acidic. You need something, so maybe a little bit of vinegar to kind of,
so
I'm
give
gonna
this a
try
taste. Tell me what you think.
Oh.
So deep, rich, flavorful.
So it tastes almost like a gravy, but not as heavy.
Right, there's no cream in this, so we're keeping it light. It does finish off with a little bit of butter, but you can even keep it dairy-free with some olive oil. So that's the very first one.
Okay, first one.
Second one, we're doing a pork tenderloin. So you mentioned you just bought one.
I just bought one. It's in the freezer, and I'm like, what am I going to do differently? But I am wrapping it in more pork.
Yes, that's right. Pork loves pork. So I've seasoned it with some dried herbs. You can use fresh, whatever you prefer. I have rosemary and oregano. Wrapped it up with pancetta. So this is going to roast in the oven, a very hot oven, like 450. You want it to reach about 140, 145 degrees, so it won't take too long. But the sauce is what we're talking about. So I have about 3 cups of apples here, whatever apples you like. Yeah, and I've cubed them, perfect. And I'm gonna add about the juice of 4 oranges. See the color?
Oh, it's oranges. Okay, so it's blood oranges?
Blood oranges.
Okay.
But you don't have to use blood oranges. Any oranges will do. I have some apple cider vinegar. Look how easy this is. You just jump.
Somebody pours it.
I did all the work and chopping. Okay. And you can just sprinkle some mustard seeds.
All of this in?
No, maybe just a little sprinkle.
Okay.
And then do you like things hot and spicy?
I do.
All right. So we'll go a little extra on that.
Okay.
Some cranberries, brown sugar. This is my kind of recipe for making a sauce. We're going to add the cranberries as well. And we'll add freshly grated ginger. I keep my ginger in the freezer, so I always have it on hand.
Oh, okay.
And it's really easy then to grate. We're gonna give that a stir with the spatula.
Okay, they're telling us we have 90 seconds left, and we've got,
All right, so there we go. I'm gonna just show you the end result.
So what do we do then? We just leave this on the stove for a little bit?
It'll cook for about an hour. Look how beautiful this sauce is.
Okay.
All right, the next one, really, really fast. You're gonna dump in cilantro, lime juice. Not this, that's too much salt. And we've got some Greek yogurt. We're keeping this healthy. It's high protein.
Okay.
And it's gonna be fresh. Do you like cilantro?
I do.
All right, some people don't. You could use a different kind of
and we're just dumping this all in?
Yes, and that's the Greek yogurt, a little bit of mayonnaise. You're gonna add that whole bunch of cilantro. We're gonna give that a whiz.
We're not gonna do that, but we're gonna show the end product
and
there.
I'd like for you to try it really fast.
Okay, am I dumping all this cilantro in?
Yes.
Okay, there it goes.
And you can use parsley, you can even use a combination.
Okay. Whoa,
oh,
nice. All right, last one here.
Last one. So this is a blueberry. It always has that effect. It's a blueberry jam. I like this brand because it's not too sweet and you can see the pieces of fruit. I added a little bit of amaretto, fresh lemon juice, and look at this cheesecake. We're gonna serve it up on this cheesecake. Beautiful. And we did all 4 sauces in 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to get all your links up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Marisa, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. We are going to have quite the feast after this. We'll be saucy. We will be saucy.